to power on the light of this oven. Let's see the model. It's here on the right side. It looks like that. And it has a light here on the upper right side. And that's an incandescent bulb because I can feel the heat. And when you open the door, the light is on. And when you close it, it's off. Now it's on, now it's off. But to maintain it on, we have to use this lower portion. We have 1, 2, 3 buttons, and press and hold the left one. So press and hold that, and the light should power on. And it's on. It remains on even if you open the door, but when you close it, it will turn off. So to enable it, press and hold the first button. You have to press it for a few seconds, and it remains on, and from there you can also power it off without opening the door.